factorize completely 32x squared minus 50. We have to factorize this expression completely. Remember, it is not an equation, it is an expression. Great. Before we come to the expression, I want to draw your attention to what we call difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. So you can see that we have two squares over here. This is x squared, this is y squared. So in all, we have two squares. And in between them, we have subtraction, which we describe as difference. So when you have an expression like this, how do we go about it? If you want to factorize, what you do is that you are opening two brackets. Then you have your x here, have your y here, your x here, your y here. Separate one with plus and separate one with minus. You are done. An application is where, let's say, you have 9 squared minus 2 squared. You can apply this knowledge. These are two squares and we have difference here. So we are opening two brackets. Okay, 9 here, 2 here, 9 here, 2 here. Add these ones, subtract these ones. 9 plus 2, that is 11. 9 minus 2, that is 7. 11 by 7, that will be 77. You can cross check. 9 squared is 9 times 9, that is 81. And 2 squared is 4. When you subtract 4 from 81, you definitely have 77. So it means this knowledge is valid. Now let's come here. Looking at 32 and 50, their common factor, specifically the highest common factor, is 2. That is 2 can divide 32 and divide 50. And when we factorize the common factor out, we'll be left with 16x squared minus 25. That is 2 times 16x squared is giving us our 32x squared. Then 2 times 25 is giving back 50, right? Good. Now the next thing is I'm going to try to use the difference of 2 squared. I'm going to rewrite the 16x squared as 4x all squared. Then I'm changing the 25 to be 5 squared. So you see 4x all squared means 4 squared, that is 16x squared, and that is x squared. Then 5 squared is also giving my 25. So I've not done anything. I've not changed anything. It's perfectly right. So I have difference of 2 squared now. Sorry, 2 squares now. This is a difference and we have 2 squares. So applying that knowledge, I'm gonna open two brackets. Then I have my 4x here, have my 5 here, 4x here, my 5 here. What do? I add this one and subtract these ones. It's as simple as that. So you can conclude that therefore 32x squared minus 50 is equal to 2. Then 4x plus 5, another bracket, 4x minus 5. Have a nice day.